Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit PDF files in WPS Office. So in the Office in here, there's this feature called Edit PDF where you can edit text, images, and pages in PDF files. So here I'm going to just open the PDF file on my computer. Okay, this one, for example. Okay, now it will be opening the file. Okay, so now the PDF file has been opened. You can see usually we cannot edit any text or any images on the PDF, but here at the top on the WPS Office, there will be this feature called Edit PDF. So you can just use the keyword Alt plus W, or you can click on this button to edit your PDF. So you can see it will shown like this, the preview. Now what you need to do is, for example, you want to delete some text, you can just go it like this. You can see it will be deleted, and here you can replace it with another text just like this. You can also change the font or maybe the size of the text. Here I'm going to make it bigger and also change the font, for example, just like this. Okay, so that's all for me. That's how you can edit PDF on WPS Office. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.